Hey guys, we're doing our dining room makeover today. We're also putting up our Christmas tree. Alhamdulillah, did you sneeze? Are you guys excited for the Christmas tree?
Yes, I'm so excited. No,
I volunteered to host Christmas and New Year's this year. I don't know what I was thinking. So we gotta get the dining room ready. We gotta get the Christmas tree up. Wish us luck. We have so much to do.
We can do it.
Can we do it?
We can do it.
We can do it.
Looks like you guys are fixing spiders.
Back to blueberries.
How's it going, Mama?
Look, I'm carrying it.
So strong, Mama. You gonna help me with these, Monkey?
Yep. Can I help? Look how big this chair is. Okay. You're awesome. I'm so tired over my present. I mean the chair.
Higher, 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 higher.
Keep going.
Yeah, that looks good.
Or does that have to go more?
Excuse me, bro. How exactly are we supposed to get work done?
I don't need to. What's up?
We got a 9-footer. It's huge and it's flocked because we have very massive ceilings here. So we gotta get the biggest tree we could find.
Timber!
We're going down. We're going timber.
Excuse me? This is a bad part of getting a flocked tree. It's like super messy.
It's actually powder?
So Ken, I never grew up like putting Christmas trees up in my house, but Ken's family, they're like very big on Christmas. In Trinidad, apparently they celebrate everything. So they do. So his family's Muslim, but I guess in the culture, they celebrate everything. Am I right?
Yeah. It's
They
like
do
here.
Diwali, they do Christmas, they do
It's like here we
Eid.
do Easter, we do.
I feel like I'll just love an excuse to party.
Yeah.
Ken is very impressed with the quality of this tree.
This real look at it. You don't even have to adjust the branches. On the tree we had before, you used to have to open each branch.
This one you just tap and it falls down. Look. You gotta open the bottom first.
Look, it comes out already spaced. You don't have to do every little branch.
To avoid getting the ladder, we're gonna get Zay to put
You know?
the last piece in.
Wait.
Are you strong enough?
Okay.
All right, show us those muscles.
Okay.
All right, go.
Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol.
Whoa, baby, you're so strong, Bubba.
Try to. Oh, yeah.
Okay, if Aliana can't do it, then you'll get another turn, okay? There we go, Queen. Yes. Good job. I was really hoping we could film on a day where like the weather was nicer, but it's raining like crazy today and it's absolutely miserable outside. Yeah, just pile it there. Thank you, Queens. The kids are getting hungry, so I'm gonna make us some smoothies. We have some chicken strips going. I'm washing my candles for the party. And then I have some fries going. This room is our breakfast nook. It's not done yet. It will be soon. We just ordered all the stuff. By the way, guys, I got an ink stain on this carpet. If you know how to take these out, tell me, because I like have had no luck. I make a smoothie for the kids literally every day. And I usually, I'll put like whatever we have laying around the house that's going bad. So if I have like some carrots that are going bad or like anything that's like, you know, avocados, anything, as long as you like put enough fruit in there, you can like put vegetables in and they won't taste it. So this has a banana, a carrot, and an apple and an avocado, and then I filled it with vanilla yogurt and mango. So when you're drinking it, all you're gonna taste is like the mango and the yogurt. You're not really gonna taste the carrots and the avocado.
I think I'll put your mom spill.
What? Don't take a picture of me spilling.
Are you okay there?
Zayden.
Wow, that's a ginormous snail there.
Think that's funny?
Yeah. I'm having another. Make this every day.
I'm excited that we're finally gonna get the dining table up so that the kids can start eating on the dining table as opposed to eating in the kitchen. They've been eating on our island since we moved in and it's been 2 months, but we finally got our chairs in. Let me show you guys. These are the chairs I picked out for here. They're like velvety and then they have this like detail in the back. They're so stunning. And I think it'll tie into the living room really well. Ken's gonna take out all of the ornaments. We had them in the basement. I've honestly just been using this elevator in the house mostly as a way to like move things around. So like when I'm cleaning up at the end of the day, I like fill all the kids' toys from downstairs in the elevator, send it up, and then they open the elevator door and they put all their toys away. So all this stuff was in the basement and we just like stacked it into the elevator and sent it up to the floor we needed. All right, that's all of the decor. Is that it? I feel like we have more boxes. Oh, the last one's not open. I'm so happy that I took the time to organize this when I put everything away so that I'm not overwhelmed when I'm like doing it the year after. You know? These are my stocking stuffers. They're so cute. Well, we don't have a fireplace this year, but we're gonna put it, I guess, on the TV stand.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take out all of the ornaments that are the correct color. I'll even grab all those and put them here.
Oh, put all the same colors together?
Yeah, what do you guys think of this pink color? Should we incorporate it?
Yeah.
Yeah? I think we can. It's pretty.
That's my favorite ornament.
Okay, we'll just do all of them. We just want to. Are they pretty? That's okay. I have way more ornaments in here, but I don't want to put like the pink ones in. I feel like that's not the vibe this year, but I'm worried these might not be enough. But we're gonna try. We're just gonna go for it, okay? Did you find my weights? Those are mine. So I want to do those ornaments where it's like you stack them all in a row and you like swerve them around the tree like that. I want to try it.
You do that.
I'm stronger than you.
Okay, we're gonna do it in sections just because I feel like that'll be safer. So basically, I'm gonna call it out and you guys are gonna pass me the ones I need, okay? Cool? Okay, Zayden, silver. Perfect. Sure. Soraya,
Yeah.
I need a golden mini.
These ones?
Yeah. Serena, I want the one in your hand. I like that.
I know my favorite one.
Gorgeous.
Decorate a tree, yay! Jingle bell, jingle out the way. Oh hey night, listen. Oh hey, 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 hey!
Yay!
Give me a glitter.
Ooh, a silver enough.
Whatever you want. You decide.
This color. Whoa, this
Like
one
that
feels so cool.
No, the one that's like textured. So this is getting kind of heavy. So what I'm gonna do, like just for the sake of the weight, is I'm gonna like cut this and we're gonna just tie it up for now. So I'm basically just making this little like loop on the ends. And we're gonna go ahead and put this on.
Jingle all the way. Ocean higher.
Alright. Ah, no! Okay, that's okay. Alright, we will start, I guess, kind of in here. Okay, and just hope for the best. I totally lost my press-on nail inside the tree.
Oh, which
Bonus points for anybody that
Let me
finds
see.
it. Huh?
finger?
I just switched to press-ons and I've been raving about them, and right now I'm over them.
I got it.
Sadie found my nail. Thank you, Mama.
How
What's
did
the
you
surprise?
find
What's
it?
the bonus?
You get a treat. Everyone gets treats
Yay!
tonight.
Yeah! Let's go get it.
Never seen a fish on the ladder before.
I know, I'm nervous.
Never seen a fish.
Wait, what wrong with... I just said.
I have like tunnel vision, and I have too much tunnel vision for like a ladder right now. I literally would have like fell on my bum.
Merry, 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 Merry Christmas! Wow.
Good job.
Merry Christmas. Ho ho. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is a hat that has Christmas stuff now. Handsome, right?
Okay, I laid out everything. So by the way, the tree's done. Doesn't it look so good? So I took out my flowers, but I don't like the flowers on the tree this year. So I'm trying to make like a topper, and I want my topper to look like really, really like big and grand. Ready? Look. I feel like it should be in a magazine.
Oh my god. Why are you squishing it?
Right?
Yeah,
It's
real
so
nice.
good. This is the prettiest tree I think I've ever done. I've been looking at this like for 2 years now, but I was too scared to do it, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. If it doesn't work, I'll undo it and do it normally. So I'm glad I went for it, even though we almost gave up halfway.
Oh my god.
Why is it so awkward? Ah! I can finally have it open up to full capacity. So this is a transformer table. We have it in every house video that we do. We have it in the condo. We had it in our old house, and now we got one for our new house. This one is in like this birch white color. Normally we have it at the 6-seater setting. It goes to like from 2-seater to a 12-seater. We've never been able to have a space to have it at fully like the 12-seater capacity.
Open.
So this is the first time, and I'm so excited. I want to like actually have a formal dining room because I host so much, and I love having the family. I love having like my friends. I love having people at my house. When we were living in the condo, we always had people like on the floor, and like now we can finally like, you know, have seating. So he's just putting all of the pieces on. So it basically just like clips together. You add all the pieces, slide it in. There's a little latch at the bottom.
I picked this spot. That's one.
So this china cabinet was a hand-me-down. I painted it. I'm gonna show you guys the process in the next couple of clips. I mixed water in the paint because I wanted to do this technique where the grains still showed through of the wood. I didn't want it to look painted. I wanted it to look like white wood, like the table that we have. And I think I got a pretty good match. And I loved the hardware on this. I loved the shape of it. This cabinet was literally perfect. The biggest challenge, like finding a cabinet in this place, was finding one that was up to scale and that was big enough. And this one actually was. So the cabinet's hand-me-down, and almost all of the dishes are hand-me-down too. They belong to my mom, but they belong to me now. You guys can see, these are so freaking cute. It's my favorite ever. And then those are just like my vases and stuff. And then here I just have like some of my dishes that are just too fragile to put in the cabinet that I have out here, like these plates. They like break if you look at them too long, especially that one over there. And then in here are the extra dishes that I don't use daily because they're way too heavy. So I usually just take these out when I have guests. I thought I was done, but I'm never really done. So I have 4 pillars, and I have only 2 of these garlands. Since we don't have a fireplace, I'm gonna just kind of put them up here. Okay, so we have these 2 rods that I put together. That's a shower curtain, and then I put like this vine like twisted around it to create this like pretty vibe. And Ken's gonna put it up on the pillar. I know your arms are tired. Good? How's it look?
I think it's good.
Good. I had to do the final shots in the daylight so you guys can really see how freaking beautiful it is in here with all of the natural lighting coming in. I love the swirly design on my Christmas tree. I think it turned out so well. I just decorated my dining table with a bunch of holiday decor. I'll probably leave the big branch up in the middle, but everything else will probably go like day to day. I'm so proud of this china cabinet, guys. This was such a fun project. And if you guys watched my living room makeover video a few posts ago, you know I wasn't too happy with the living space, but now that the dining room is done, I actually brought in the color of the chairs into the living room. So now I feel like this looks like more of who I am. It looks cozier, it looks brighter. I still hate that coffee table Ken picked out. I literally complain about it daily, but I'm working around it, and I feel like it flows so well now through the dining room and the living room. It just matches and vibes. And this is what it looks like from the outside. Obviously, it looks way better in the nighttime, but I gotta get this video up for you guys, so I won't be able to do the nighttime shots, but you can just use your imagination. All right, guys, we are done our dining room makeover, and it's ready for us to like host and stuff, hopefully. Are you guys excited to get all the parties started?
Yeah!
Food.
I'm already so tired. I don't know what I was thinking volunteering to host.
Wait, this is harder than everything. Putting this together.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.
Bye.